Hi, anyone and everyone. This is Kim, the Humble Hermit from Come As You Are Oracle. I'm going to do a collective tarot for today, Friday, October 11th, 2024. You may follow me on the book, the Insta, the Talk, or the Tube, or not. Totally up to you. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. If it doesn't fit, don't make it fit. If some of it fits, fabulous. We're excited for you. If some of it does not, please just leave it on the table for someone else. We don't want you taking on energy that wasn't meant for you. We're going to use Intuitive City Oracle, Rob Barthelman. I'm going to set that over there. Let's see what comes out today. I kind of want to do a crow reading instead of the collective. Like all of a sudden, I'm just thinking about it. We got 2 on the table. We got 3 cards on the table, 4 cards on the table. What the? All right, you guys, something's going on because this card keeps coming out and it's making me slightly uncomfortable. I'm just kidding. I mean, it does keep coming out, but I'm not uncomfortable. Oh, sorry. We have 4 cards on the table and 2 of them are major. Five cards on the table, 2 major. Six cards on the table, 3 major. Seven cards on the table, 3 major. Let's do 2 more shuffles. 8 cards on the table, 3 major. Ooh. 9 cards on the table, 4 major. All right, 10 cards on the table. That was the last shuffle. And we've got 11 with the bottom of the deck. Let me just look at the top. Ooh. Oh, wow. Holy. The top of the deck is 8 of Cups, the Devil, the Star, Page of Swords, the Moon, 3 of Wands, and Justice. Bottom is 8 of Wands, Death, 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, High Priest, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, and Queen of Cups right next to each other. Chariot. All right, I'm going to set that over here. I'm nosy, y'all. I'm nosy. We've got 4 of Pentacles. I get less and less nosy as the days go on. Let me just say that. You got the Empress. Got the Page of Cups. The Lovers. That's the one that keeps coming out all the time now. It's like almost every day. King of Wands. We've got Last Judgment. We've got Nine of Wands. We got Ace of Pentacles. The Magician. Six of Cups in reverse. And Ten of Wands, bottom of the deck. Okay, so feminine, masculine, it really doesn't matter. I know the Empress is out here, the Lovers is out here, King of Wands, Magician. Place it where you see fit. So you can be the Empress, you can be the Emperor. So again, it doesn't matter, feminine, masculine. This is you or someone else or someone you know. This is you. Whoever you are, it's like you're manifesting in with the Magician card. You're manifesting in a lover situation, a partnership, a union. With the Four of Pentacles, you might be a little materialistic. You might be being called upon to watch your money at this time. With the Empress, it's just like a very mothering energy. Happy, capable, reliable. I just heard sustainable energy. But with the Page of Cups, you're also someone that is, I don't want to say naive. Yeah, so you're someone that can see like the side of everything, right? Like, what is that argument? Pro assisted unaliving, pro non assisted unaliving. Like, you would be the person that could make an argument for both. Like, you're someone that looks at both sides. Like, you understand like all the angles. And with the Page of Cups, it enables you to reach out to many different like age groups. Like, maybe you might have like a lot of different friends with different ages. Like if you're 30, you might have a bunch of 30-year-old friends, you might have a bunch of 20-year-old friends, you might have a bunch of 40-year-old friends, 50-year-old friends, like a wide range. Like, whoever you are, you come across as someone timeless, ageless. Like, people are just drawn to you. It doesn't matter the age. And the fact that you tend to be able to come and see from both sides, right? Pull from all sides. People see you as very youthful. People see you as very approachable. Like I said, you're manifesting in a lover situation, like a partner. With the King of Wands, like, you have ideas for this union, what it entails for the two of you, how the two of you are going to work separately and together. It's a creative vision. And if you're not manifesting this in, somebody's manifesting it in for you. Because I'm getting two things from this magician card. Like manifesting the lovers situation, and then manifesting, I'm going to jump a little bit ahead, manifesting with the Six of Cups in reverse to release this Ten of Wands, this overcommitment. And by that, what I'm seeing is like overcommitting yourself, yes, to like projects, situations, people, yes, but also overcommitting yourself in relationships, like putting so much of yourself into a lover situation and getting zero in return, right? You're manifesting to release that type of behavior. I know a lot of people now are saying like, oh, we shouldn't be matching energy. That's just not the way to go about it. And like, on one hand, like I agree, but on the other hand, like, I mean, how else do you go about it? Because I'm not gonna, continue to give to somebody that doesn't, it's equal give and take here. Like, and this is just an example, but like, let's say I start dating someone, right? And I have to pay for dinner every time. No, I'm not. I've been in a relationship like that. I'm not doing that. So if this person is like, well, I can't pay, like, you're going to have to pay. I'm going to be like, I'm going to pay. And then good luck to you, sir and or ma'am. Because like, that's not something that I would put up with. And again, that's like something that you would like talk about like before you go out to dinner or you go out to a movie or whatever the case may be. But at the same time, if you talk about it and this person is like, well, I can't afford to date, you're going to have to pay for all our dates, then I'll go date someone else. And that's just my opinion. Like, in my opinion is whoever initiates the date should pay, technically. I also believe that halvies, like they pay for theirs and I pay for mine. There's nothing wrong with that either. I don't believe in just the woman paying or just the man paying. I don't believe in that bullshit. You know? And it's kind of funny because in this day and age, I think a lot of men feel that way. I think that's why in this day and age, you get a lot of guys out there that are like, well, do you want to just meet for coffee? Or like there was something on TikTok about people wanting to just meet to go for a walk. Like, let's go for a walk an hour in the park and see if we are compatible. I don't think there's anything wrong with those types of dates, technically. But I also feel like I'm a firm believer in the talking stage. And I know some people are and some people aren't. But if I meet you online, like, I feel like 2 to 3 weeks of talking, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And then meeting. Because let's talk about stuff. Let's talk about stuff. And then actually meet each other and talk some more. Because you could talk to somebody for like a day and realize you're not interested, or an hour, you know what I'm saying? You're just being called to release that type of energy where you always put out for someone else and you never get anything back. With the Last Judgment card, I think you're someone that judges yourself maybe a little too harshly. But with the Nine of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles, because really the only thing in this read that is like unfavorable is the Materialist with the Four of Pentacles and the Overcommitment with the Ten of Wands. That's it. Everything else is pretty good. The Nine of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, like whatever you're doing for yourself, you just have the potential to do even more. Like let's say you're singing a song, right? Like you wrote a song and you're singing it. So write some more. Do an album. Like you're going to get in that headspace where you're going to keep excelling and moving forward and building upon that original thought. And it's going to just keep going. Because again, you have the King of Wands. Could be a Queen of Wands. You can switch that for feminine, masculine, but like you have some type of vision for yourself, for your future, for your present and your future, actually. I forgot to get some gum. My mouth tastes and smells like salmon. Yeah, I know I probably shouldn't eat that much fish, but I love it. It's so good. It's so good. Hmm. I don't know. So, like all of a sudden, I'm seeing like well, first I saw like a car, like an SUV, and then I was seeing like a black SUV, like in a car chase. I feel like this lover situation is coming in fast. Because as soon as I saw this like car chase in my mind, I was like, oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Where you been, kitty? Hi. One of the cats. I wonder where all the others went. Ugh. Like I got a cat problem. I got 4 of my own. Sorry, I was thinking about, okay. So 2 things before I let this go. I'm not sure about this one because I'm trying to like picture it, but And maybe whoever you are, you're not talking. Okay. So first thing, like in the background, we've got like it's almost like the innards of a moon, but like there's a dark side and there's a light side. So whoever you are, I feel like you're very balanced. Like you have a little bit of dark, a little bit of light in you. Okay. And then with this Ace of Pentacles, something about land. Like you want to buy land to do something or start something, or I'm not even getting like house technically. Like some people buy a big piece of property and then they build a big ass house and, a big garage and da 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 da. I'm not really getting that. I mean, it could be that. But like when I try to like envision it, like I'm literally just seeing like green grass everywhere and little bits of wildflowers and maybe some like rolling hills, not mountains. I mean, I guess it could just be like you want to get into real estate and you want to buy a property. I mean, it could be that too. Sorry, guys, my ear has been like. Because again, I'm just seeing like, like grass. Like I'm not seeing like a concrete lot, like so you can build a shop or something like that. I'm just seeing grass and like hills in the back, some wildflowers everywhere. Something about land, something about you want to buy land or you need land or something. Because look at how they're looking out over the land. Kind of like, it's a lot of land, Betty. I don't know where that came from. All right. So, again, just to recap, you have been manifesting for some type of lover situation. If you're not manifesting for it, somebody's manifesting for it for you. Maybe the other person is manifesting for it. You also need to manifest to release any type of burdens, any type of overcommitting yourself to other people and not seeing the same back in return. Like giving and not receiving. Otherwise, everything else looks pretty good other than the Four of Pentacles. But, I mean, being told to save your money in this day and age, like, I don't even... What my mom used to say, like, you can't... you can't rub two pennies together to get $1 or something. I don't know. There was some weird saying about rubbing pennies together to get more money or something. I don't know. All right, I'm going to leave it there. I hope it resonated. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope, if anything, you found it entertaining. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.